Look, Hoodrich fam, at this point, I'm just trying to get rid of these goddamn hoodies. So when you purchase a hoodie, you will be receiving the Travel Hacking Off the Swipes ebook, the Shelf Corporation Age Corp Secrets ebook, all three for $39.99. Y'all tap in, link under the description for the website. What's good, Hoodrich fam, man? It's your boy Hoodrich Credit back again with another fucking banger, man. You feel me? Look, Hoodrich fam, today I got another special video for y'all today. Today I'm going to be breaking down another institution, another credit union by the name of SunEast Federal Credit Union. And I did do a breakdown on SunEast Federal Credit Union probably 4 to 5 months ago, but I'm bringing it back to light. And the reason why I'm bringing it back to light is because I want to give y'all multiple options of institutions you guys can credit stack with on the personal side or the business side that pull from different bureaus. Okay, y'all, because I recently received y'all feedback when I dropped that credit stacking video on TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian through all three bureaus, right? And you guys were saying, yo, I feel like, there's better options out there. Can you please, drop some videos on them? Okay, y'all. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to be trying and breaking down more institutions that you guys can have in mind to credit stack when it comes to business funding specifically. But some of y'all go for personal funding as well. You guys are interested on the personal side, but let's do it. Let's break down SunEast Federal Credit Union. I did write down some data points for y'all, so let's get straight into it. So first of all, to become a member with SunEast, there's a lot of options. So you have pre-qualified by location, so you could check your location and see if if you qualify. You get what I'm saying by location, because SunEast Federal Credit Union is known for being around Pennsylvania area, but there's certain areas that they might accept you to become a member. Okay, y'all. Then you could pre-qualify by family member, just like Navy Fed, pre-qualified by employer, pre-qualified by community, and the one that is most popping is pre-qualified by support. Okay, y'all. So for a donation of only $10, you not only help worthy, whatever. You basically do a $10, donation, and you're in with SunEast Federal Credit Union. Okay, y'all. So basically, open nationwide with a donation of $10. Another thing that I want to tell y'all about SunEast Federal Credit Union is that they might pull your check systems. Well, I'm pretty sure they will, because institutions like SunEast, they always check your check systems. And I always tell y'all, man, you guys got to get that situated. Okay, you guys got to get check systems situated. I know a couple people comment, under my video saying, oh, you just freeze your check systems. That doesn't work, man. I'm telling you, when you're trying to become a member with these institutions, they're going to say, oh, look, to proceed with membership, you have to unfreeze your check systems. Okay, y'all. So that doesn't work. You have to get it settled. Like I told y'all in all the videos where I break down credit unions that pull check systems, you just go to checksystems.com, pull up your report. They're going to ask for basic info, find the negatives that you got on there with past banks or past credit unions, past institutions. Let's say, for example, overdraft fees, or some shit that you owe, right? Pull it up, call the institution, and try to settle something. Like I said, if you got to pay some money out of pocket, that's fine. Now you got that removed off your check systems. Your check systems is cleared, and you good for funding or building relationships with these other institutions that might deny you for a checking account. Okay, y'all. Another reason why y'all get denied with check systems is because you might not have negatives, but you have a lot of inquiries. Yes, they are inquiries on check systems, meaning that you've applied for multiple credit unions or multiple institutions in a short amount of time. You get what I'm saying? So it kind of raises a red flag. You opening up too much checking accounts in a certain amount of time. Okay, y'all. So that's another reason why you might get denied for a checking account with the institution that you really want to build a relationship with. Okay. And another thing that I want to tell y'all about SunEast Federal Credit Union is that they will allow double dipping on their applications. Okay, y'all. So for example, let's say you apply for a credit card. Yeah, it's gonna be a hard pull, but the additional applications won't be a hard pull. So they're gonna allow that for 30 days. You can use the same hard inquiry on these applications, okay, for 30 days. That's a real game changer. And people are not aware of, double dipping, man, because the only institutions that allow double dipping are these small credit unions. That's why I tell y'all, stop sleeping on credit unions. They throw you that bag. If you build a relationship with them, have deposits going in, get these small products like let's say they have something like a secure pledge loan. You know what I'm saying? Some shit like that, or a secure credit card if you got bad credit or you in, the building stage. That's how you build a relationship, right? And that's how you double dip, man. You could apply for multiple products. So Yeah, man, stop sleeping on these credit unions. They offer a lot of benefits compared to big bank institutions because big bank institutions always get shown love. Okay, y'all. So I want y'all to stop sleeping on them. They allow double dipping. Let's go check out their personal credit cards real quick. Credit cards. Okay, y'all. So let it load real quick, man. All right, so I was looking at the credit cards, man. They got a lot to offer. So they got the business Mastercard, which I'm about to break down a little bit, but they got the Platinum Mastercard, the Platinum Rewards Mastercard. So let's click the Platinum Mastercard on what it offers. Okay, let me see. SunEast Platinum Mastercard comes with a low introductory APR, a low go to. The only downside. The only downside I'm seeing is that they don't offer 0% interest on the personal side with this MasterCard, the Platinum card. Typically, they always offer 0% interest for like 12 months on purchases and balance transfers on all Platinum cards throughout all credit unions or all institutions. Okay, the Platinum card is the card that you want to go for typically when it comes to credit unions. But in this case, they're not offering a 0% interest. I know they have one on the business side, which I'm about to explain right now, but I didn't even notice that, if I'm being honest with y'all. Let's go to the Platinum Rewards. They might have an offer right there. Let me see. Okay, same shit, man. Same shit, just a low APR, no balance transfer fees. I mean, that's good. No annual fee, no penalty rate. That's straight on the personal side, but let's go to the business side. Enough with that shit, man. All right, let's go to the business MasterCard. Okay, this is what I wanted to break down. 0% interest for the first 6 months on purchases, balance transfers, and cash advances. Okay, y'all, this is a real gem right here. This business MasterCard with SunEast Federal Credit Union. Okay, y'all, typically it's always just purchases and balance transfers, but cash advances too. Y'all could really bust a plate with this business MasterCard. Okay, y'all, and another thing that I wanted to tell y'all, okay, for their applications, they will be pulling your TransUnion credit report. So this is an institution you can stack on the TransUnion side. They will be doing a hard pull though, but they won't report to your personal credit. You never want to go for a business credit card that's going to report to your personal credit. So like I said, y'all can add this to y'all list of TransUnion applications. I'll give y'all some good hitters, okay, when it comes to stacking with TransUnion. You can go for some like Univis. I show y'all applications with Univis that I've helped one of my clients get approved for, or a couple of my clients get approved for. I helped somebody get 8K no docs, and then somebody else that was 25K no docs, I think it was 25K or 20K, one of them. Okay, but it was no documentation and no prior relationship. Okay, y'all, so y'all can go for an institution like, well, first of all, go for the soft pools that pull TransUnion. Then line up the institutions that do hard pulls. Okay, y'all. So for example, you could go for something like SunEast. Some of y'all might have a relationship with them already. Who knows? Okay, y'all, because I'm telling y'all have a lot of local credit unions that you have relationships with. So you're gonna have a higher chance of getting approved with that relationship. So y'all could go for the soft pull TransUnion business swipes and then add SunEast as a hard pull and then Univis as a hard pull. Just pull up 2 tabs, click apply, and that first institution that you clicked apply for, no, the second institution that you clicked apply for, they're not going to see that first hard inquiry with the first institution you clicked apply for, because it takes about 5 to 10 seconds for an inquiry to post. So that's how you credit stack with TransUnion. I'm just giving y'all multiple options, okay, y'all, and let me see. They personal limits, I forgot to say that they go up to 35K. And like I said, with double dipping, man, you could go for a credit card, and you could go for something like another credit card. Possibly you can go for something like a line of credit or a personal loan, right, with just one hard pull. What I want y'all to understand is every institution will cap you at a certain amount of funding that they will extend to you. So let's say they're gonna extend to you 30K, for example, right? And you apply for a credit card and you got approved for 20K, right? So if you try to apply for another product, let's say a personal loan, the max that they're going to extend to you on that personal loan is 10K. You get what I'm saying? So like they're going to cap you at a certain amount of funding, if y'all understand what I'm saying. That's with any institution out there, okay, y'all? So that's basically it, man, with SunEast Federal Credit Union. I'm just giving y'all options of other institutions you guys can check out. But that's a real hitter. This business MasterCard, doesn't report to personal credit. I mean, it will be doing a hard pull on your TransUnion, but remember, inquiries that report, you can always get them removed because they're not going to be attached to an open account, since that, that business credit card is not going to report. and 0% interest for 6 months on purchases and balance transfers and cash advances. Y'all could really bust a play. I wish it was 12 months. That would have been, one of the best cards out here in the game. But 6 months is, okay if you already got the idea of what you're going to invest in already. Okay, Hood Rich fam. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. I'm going to give y'all more institutions. Y'all have a good day. The Hood Rich way. Gone.